I wanted to share this little clip from our recent vacation to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We visited a place that was so amazing that it was really deserving of its own video. It's called Inlet Plantation, and it's about 20 or 30 minutes away from Myrtle Beach. It was an amazing experience that all of us, all four of us, my husband and my two girls, all said that it was one of the best things we've ever done. And before we did it, I was a little concerned because we go horseback riding quite a bit. And I really didn't know if it was worth the cost because it was quite expensive, but it was definitely worth every single penny. It was especially needed because of all that's gone on in the world in the last year and a half, 2 years. Out there on the beach, in the sunset with the ocean, there's no politics, there's no virus, there's no division, there's no hatred. It's just really, it was so refreshing to be able to get out and get away and get out in nature and be next to something so incredible like the ocean and watch the sunset and be reminded of God's power and how He created everything and how He is in control, even though sometimes we feel like the world is spinning out of control. It was really nice to be reminded of that, and I think getting out in nature does that. So highly recommend Inlet Plantation. It is expensive, but if you're going to be anywhere in the Myrtle Beach area, it's definitely worth your time, and I feel like it's definitely worth your money.